What's good, guys? Your boy Tactical Guardian back at it again with another one. We got the Halo Charging Ring by Tandemkross for the TX22, and we're going to be installing it. So let's get into that. So we're going to jump straight into this one. We have a Halo Charging Ring from Tandemkross for the Taurus TX22. So this Halo Charging Ring, guys, is made of lightweight aluminum. It adds no noticeable weight to your pistol. There's no modification of the pistol needed to install this. It makes clearing jams and charging your pistol easy. I mean, one finger easy. Meaning clearly it's ambidextrous. You can use it with both hands. And also you can use it with holsters, obviously. It's available in red or black, but clearly I chose red because, I mean, come on, guys. So now to installing this, I just typically use a hex that I have. It's a small hex, and all it's going to be for is to push back here in that small little hole. So anything that you have works. It doesn't matter, but I'm just showing you what I use. That's pretty much it. So the first things first, you're gonna charge it. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get that on because this sucks. No, it's actually great, but yeah, that's better. And then the next thing you're gonna do is pull down these little tabs here to release it. And then we're just gonna ever so gently put our thumb back here and pull the trigger. Oh man, look at that. And just comes apart. There you have it. You have your two different pieces. We don't need the lower, so we're just gonna put that down. So now, guys, when you're here at this part, you're gonna take whatever you decided to use to push down in this hole. And you're gonna push and slightly pull down. That's it. You're gonna push in, slightly pull down. That's literally all you're gonna do. Now there's a spring back there, so before you do anything else, you're gonna wanna put your finger over this, and then you could pull the rest of this down however you want, either by pressing it there. I just put this into the hole and helped it come down. But as you pull it down, you want to keep your finger over, because guess what? There's this spring here. See that? There's a spring with a little guide on it. And if you didn't put your finger there, that would have went flying out and you would have been searching everywhere for the spring and guide. And you're gonna pick up your Tandemkross charging ring, and it's pretty obvious what side is up because there's a divot right there. And what I like to do is I like to get it down as much as possible just using my finger. So let's see if I could get it down really deep with my finger. And then I just start sliding up. Oh crap, my glove's a little, oh shit, I didn't even need to use this. But literally, guys, that's how simple and easy it is to put on. I didn't even need to use that, putting it back in. So there you have it. It's now on. It's not going anywhere. It's not coming out, even if I pull it and mess around. And there you have it. It's back on. Everything is in nice and beautiful order.
Oh my God.
We're gonna do a quick functions check. So this has a safe on it, so it doesn't fire, and safe fires. All right, quick reset, fires. Woo, oh my gosh, look at it. Woo, like a kid in a candy store. Guys, that is the Halo ring from Tandemkross. Check it out, get it, add it to your pistol. This is a wonderful mod. I'm loving it already. And as you guys should already know, Tandemkross is made in the USA, and just like with any of their other products, it has a lifetime warranty. So if there's ever an issue with your charging handle, hit them up and they'll send you out a new one for free. And make sure you check out the link in my comments. It's to a giveaway that I'm gonna be giving away to my subscribers, and it's gonna be ending on November the 30th. So make sure you subscribe to be part of that, and it's free. And that's it, guys. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel because we got more things dropping. But until then, guys, remember that we tactical and we guardians, and we love the Second Amendment over here. So you either catching law or lead.